So guys, Dad's riding the 100. It's his first time riding it, so. It's still a little cold yet, but yeah, it's his first time riding it, guys, so we'll see what happens here. Oh man, pretty excited. I think he approves. I think he likes it. Oh, that's funny. The sound is just so different. That's good, yeah. It's not a wheelie machine, but it does do wheelies. Do a little bit of wheelies. That was a third gear wheelie there. Oh, that's way too much fun. Pretty fun, right?
Ultimate pit bike.
Yeah. Faster than you thought. That's funny, gas coming up. Oh, I thought it was gas, okay. Jetted, yeah, maybe. Might need new jetted. Yeah. The sound is just so different. It does shift good, my dad's right. Brakes could use some work, but they're okay. Okay. I think we're gonna put it away, maybe. Maybe not. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, he's going for another ride. We've had this bike for like 2 years now. Last October, or this past October, marked its second year of us having it. It's pretty loud. Top speed, I guess, is like 55 mile an hour, I heard. I wonder what gear he's in, if he's in third or fourth or what. Pretty fun bike. It's definitely fun riding in the woods and stuff. What? No. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to stay updated on more videos on this and other videos and stuff.